In today's video, I thought I'd chat about the Honda Z50 Monkey Bike. How do you identify these bikes? Which parts are for which bikes? Which one's the Z50A? Which one's the Z50M? The J, the 50 edition, the 30th edition? The thing about these little Z50 Monkey Bikes is there's so many different versions of them. They started really in the early 60s, and then they became really popular in the 70s. A lot of guys collect the bikes from the 70s. And then they went through, and then eventually they stopped production. I think it was around sort of 2017, 2018 with the 50th edition, which is actually a very super collectible bike. But the reason for the video today is that I often get questions about these monkey bikes. So for example, here we got a Z50A, we got a Z50R, we got a Z50J, which is part of the Z50A, but it goes to the J. Those went on to Z50Js, and the list goes on and on and on. Actually, if I go right down here, there you go, you'll see it goes down the list. There's a few more. That's a Dex, so don't worry about that guy. But then it goes to the QR50. So the QR50 was sort of the last edition of the monkey bikes, and now we're into CRF50s and modern bikes basically. But the point of this whole video is that I often get the question on which bike is which, Brent? Which one is the J? Which one's the A? When did it come out? Wada. With regards to these questions on how you identify the bikes, I've created an identification guide, which is free to download from our website, my50.com. The link is in the description, or just go to my50.com. And in fact, we have a whole bunch of manuals, workshop manuals, identification manuals, parts manuals, you name it. So if you're looking for information on Honda Z50 Monkey Bikes, you've come to the right place. You can also find information on Honda Charlies, on RG50 Gammas, RZ50s, scooters. There's the Honda Ruckus, there's the Honda Zoomers. All of these 50cc, well, basically under 125cc is what we specialize in. And we're trying to create some free content for you guys so that you can download it and have access to it. In addition to that, once you visit our website, you'll also notice that we have an auction page on our website. An auction page is a link where you can have direct access to buying these monkey bikes from Japan. So if you're a collector of monkey bikes, or you're looking to get a monkey bike, or potentially buying a whole bunch to resell, get in touch with us. We can help you bring bikes in from Japan. If you go, like I said, to the auctions tab of my website, it's free to log on, it's free to register, and you can go through all the stock that's available. And should you need to book a time with me to go through how the process works and the tricks and techniques as to how to buy bikes from Japan, then feel free to get in touch with me. There's also a link on the website where you can book an appointment where I'll go through everything with you. Enjoy your monkey bikes and have an amazing day, and remember to do that like and subscribe thing. Thank you.